Next one. Lift up the armpits. In the morning, you see me? I'm going to decide I'm going to show the morning routine with the youth. Kind of come as you know. I want to gloomy morning. Put the curtain in. At least I day work from early out. You see me? This is not something me do every day, so I'm not going to come on camera and go on like I do this every day. Sometimes I'm kind of tired, so we give her a break. She asleep. Jamir, you know, say holiday time, Jamir probably not sleep. He probably up and light them up, but I want to open for them the room door and disturb them. Ajari sleep. The first person to wake up for morning time, most of the time, at Jamir, but through a holiday and kind of sleeping, kind of go to bed late. Second person to wake up would be Alyssa. You see me I say? Then Jazzy, when Alyssa get ready and go to work, Jazzy wake up and tear down everything in her room and wake me up. Ajari last. Mommy that wake up and do our things same. You see me so? Everybody asleep basically, Alyssa they at work. See place still kind of dark early in the morning. What I go do? I have Jazzy here so. You see me? See him there? Ajari him. You asleep and you wake up. Morning sir. You wake up. You can go and cool off. Come on now. See him there? Eh? He's a naked man. Now show you nakedness, right? Alright, we're gonna bathe him. I just done brushing teeth and them thing there. Alright, so we start running water. It's so hot. Pour. Just couple sides. Yeah. It's nearly correct. So throw the bunny. Let out him, soap him up, wash him little and then you know, and scrub him like you have to scrub yourself. Come up, wait. Scrub out and then little armpit, scrub his elbow, scrub his hand. Come boy, scrub back underneath his neck. Come. Yeah. Back of the neck. Come again, Jack, man. Come on. Hey, Mr. Man. Scrub your little back, you know. Yeah. Scrub the belly. Wash out in a navel. Underneath the belly, kind of have little roll fat boy. In between the legs. Yeah. Get the little seed ball. Yeah man, get like a seed ball. And so when I have little boys in my yard bathe them, it's good for when I bathe them, you stretch them penis. You see me? That will help it grow. Yes, you have to hold it, don't tear it out, hold it, and kind of pull it and stretch it gently. Yes, that help it grow. You don't want them to get big and then something stay small. You have to do it, yeah. So remember, you know, when they wake up in the morning time, they stretch them body. And I never knew this until I got bigger. I used to always be stretch my own penis. And I get bigger, I realized stretching it helps it grow. I never knew this. So if you have a boy pick me out there, yeah man, the ladies them will might be single mothers want to understand. Stretch up your son's penis when they have baby. You see me? It helps it grow. So not only are they growing, but all of them are growing naturally. Just like when the baby them just born, they kind of lift them up by them hand. And then you lift them up by them foot and stretch them until they big enough for them wake up and then yawn and then stretch. Yeah, that helps them. They don't know me I say stretch them. But I'm not going to all of the sauce right now. Maybe this a young boy at first and then we're going to go sauce. At the back of the knees, you want to scrub underneath the back of the knees. Scrub the knees. You get that out from? I'm kind of down low because I don't want to show them the naked son, right? I'm going to put my son for and time fully naked. Don't know a shower time. Yeah. I'm going to give him pull up the bath and give him little ties and to go and rope strips with, you know. Alright. Come now, wash your seed ball. Wash in between. Stand up my son first. Wash in between the bump properly. Yeah man, you washing between them bone properly. No only could do the residue. You see me? Alright, come my son, turn over the penis now. And I use the opposite side of the rag when we do this. One side for washing milk of penis and one side for washing bum. Because you don't want to cross contaminate, right? Go. Hold on, my son. Hold on. Stop one. Alright. And then just rinse out the rag. Yeah, but I don't know, people just rinse out the rag with soap. That will make your rag slimy and smell, you know? So, yeah, man. Rinse out the rag, can get a little bit more soap out the panny and just wash out that excess dirt, you see me? Rag nice and rinse out all of that excess soap, Alright. Now, because my son them have this thick head of hair and it's very curly, like special for water. So I'm going to wash it every day, damp it. Last night, the mother said to me, that she not there, I saw them will dry. Sometimes I do, sometimes in the morning I rush me, can't do. But this one not going to be kind of wet my hand. Stand up, Jack, let me see if I can show them. Come. Stand up, hold on. Wet my hand. I'm kind of damp it, it is here curly, you know. Yeah. Alright, man. Alright, 1 piece. So now, here. They make you just go and play. You see what I say? Rinse them off. So now we're trying to rinse him off. Hey! Love you water, watch it. Love you water. Love you water, eh? Love you water. Nice and cool early morning. We don't be even hot or cold, just cool. Hey, run, John. Come on, boy. Come on. Come. Come see water, come. Come on. Come. Yeah, wash out your neck. Lift up your neck. Underneath your neck. Yeah. Next one. Lift up the armpits. Yay. Next one. Yes, sir. Wash it on. Turn over the penis. Wash off the penis. Wash off your something. You don't want to soap on the baby then penis. Because that was burned it. I'll give them a liquid injection, you know. Turn on. Wash out the bum. Wash out the little bum. Yeah. Wash your foot. Yay. Alright. You give them a little bath time. Not all the time as I listen, I come at the front. Sometimes I ain't so long and play with them thighs. But you know, I jar wake up, so I kind of give them a little 5-10 minutes for easy in the morning. And then wake up and do it. Yeah. Right, I was going to do a little bit. Turn off this now. So I have a little thing there. Come, Mr. Raccoon. Gonna dry it a little bit. Slightly. Get some oil. Come. However, put in here when it's slightly damp. You see me? Yeah. And just use your fingertips. Stand up, my son. Use your fingertips and work it. Come, Mr. Raccoon. Look, who is this? Is this a little raccoon? Wrap him up nicely. Like a little. Come, man, come, stand up. Wrap him up nice. Take him out. So before me do anything, put on him diaper on him first. I have some little rash on him the other day, so I have to get him on cream. You see me? You see I have a diaper right now. The right thing got the back. So you open it up like this. You have them two little sticky something there that got them back. You see that? Them two little sticky something there, them got the back. You see me? And rise it up. Put it behind him. Put it behind him. I only do this first because the cream here kind of thick and messy. I don't want to mess up like in blank in towel. So get that and I go grease him down in between the legs so not escape. You see me? I will seal out. Hey boy. Hey boy. Hey boy. Hey boy. Hey boy. Hey boy. Baby yourself, boy. Baby yourself, boy. And there. See, because of summer now, you know, normally put on no clothes on them too tough because then in the house and the place hot. You see what I say? So no clothes too tough. So what I'm going to do now, sit up my son. Take off that. Sit down. Give me that towel. What I'm going to do now, get the rag now. And we're going to check the eyes. I'm going to just wipe out in the corner of the eye them, you know. Because I just wash your face natural with liquor water, you know. You don't really put no soap on anything on your face. Wipe out of the eye. Yeah, them not like this, but I wipe out. Get some little earpin. About earpin. Q-tips. Kind of hold it on kind of want them, you know. And if you can dance it. Come man, good. Ears have to clean. Wipe out the little ears. Take your time because you don't want to hurt the ears, you know. And as I say, if you can kind of damp this, make the process easier. Yeah, not really bad, right? Next one, next one, next one. Good job, good job. Next ears. Wait, my son, wait, no tickle, 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 tickle. Yeah, I have to clean my son. Yeah, say to me. You see me? Yeah. Good job. Good, 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 good. See, I can just use one because I'm not every day. Alright, sit up. Sit up now. And then, if you feel them type of here, some leave-in conditioner. You see me? Rub that up in the hand. And you just go so. And you just pull. I'll show you the results on here when I'm done. Because as I said, them here very curly. Normally, I would have put some Vaseline on them skin. Because when now the lotion, them, you know, baby lotion, them not really work for them or baby oil. So normally put some. Come on, my son, man. Vaseline on his skin. And then good to go. You see what they stay? I feel just follow him, you know. For your place. Yeah. I'll just pick it out like that. And then you have Afro Daddy. It's kind of wipe off your little sitting off of the body. Come. Okay, I'm going to show you people how you clean like a whistle. See it there? Here moist. My mother going to say this morning, say, picking them here dry way. Moist. Moistness. It's a noiseness. So you see the people seeing here there? You see me? Showing that place dark today. Boy nice and clean. Yeah, we just left him in a pampas. He drink a little bit of milk and he just wake up. Go and go right up and down. Your brother turn. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, clean and nice. Clean and nice. You clean and nice. You clean and you nice. Eh? Yeah. Clean and nice. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, my son. Alright. Go and go do your business now. Your brother turn on now. You see me? Come here. Come. Come here. Come. Where you gone? Yay. Clean and... Yay. Clean and... Kiss me. Kiss your daddy. So yeah, see him there? So nice and clean. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, your brother turn on. Let's go. What I tend not to do is to turn on the TV right away. I like for them just run up and down and play. Too much the TV so early in the morning, I don't like it. I like when they be themselves. I don't know if you see hear a bag of noise and yeah. Normally, me is a music man, but I get up and blast some music, you see me? But all for TV and give them them tablet and thing now. Ajar, however, him needing tablet more while for eat, because if you don't have a tablet, he not eat. But yeah, because I not sweat already. I'm going to be a jar. Hi, body. Happy body. Happy body. Happy body. Swap them up. Stand up. Yeah. I don't know similar procedure for Ajar. With Ajar. You look playing at all time. One similar procedure is scrub out them hand and thing as it. Stand up myself. Just scrub the neck, underneath the neck, behind the ears, yeah. Behind the ears, yeah. Scrub the back. Scrub the back. Chest, give me the chest. Give me the chest. Give me the chest. Give me the belly. Give me the armpits. Give me the armpits. Scrub, scrub. Scrub, 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 scrub. Next one, next one, next one. Scrub, 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 scrub. Scrub, 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 scrub. Stop it, Guinness. Come. I'm gonna do. Isn't it? Nothing too crazy. Get some water to see here now. I see here are the crazy here. Isn't it? Then you're very soft. Wipe out the eye then. The water I see. Turn around, turn around. Turn around. Yes, sir. Under the neck, under the neck. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Armpit, come. Look up the arm, look up the arm. Armpit, armpit, armpit. Next one, next one. Next one, next one, next one. Bum, watch out the bum, watch out the bum. Turn over the penis, turn over the penis. Turn over the penis, my son. Ah. So typically, me would have got split up and go make food. Or like a woman, but now she probably have to have pay food and make, you know? We just join hands and make it big work. You see? Ah, good. Wash your tongue, wash off your tongue. Good job. Good job, wash off your tongue. Come. Yeah. Alright, all done. All done. All done. Come. Wipe out the nose. Stop kick me. Hey, stop kick me. Can I put it? Good. So see him there now.
No.
See him there. Next one here. See you next one here. Come. See them there. See them there. See them there. Bathing brothers. Mommy there in the bathroom. Jam here now. Him normally get himself ready. Cause I done him a 9-year-old. He get himself started out. What I go do right now? I go make some breakfast for them. And yeah, after I done make for them breakfast, then me go get myself ready for the day. And go do some work. You and the mommy can take over from this. So you wake up before mommy and my brother, I don't worry, wait for her to wake up and deal with them. Me just do the right thing, you see me? So right now, what I go do as I say, make them some breakfast. Right, Ajari? Where you get this from? Make them some breakfast and then that is it. So open to learn something new from the thing, man, you see me? I've always wanted kids from a young youth. I'm going to say from about 17, I may not tell people out if you go pursue kids as teenagers, but I'm telling you my truth. From about 17, I realized, I say, yo, I love kids, I want kids. At one point in my life, I used to wonder if I go have kids too, I used to love kids. And now that I have them, I deal with them right and proper. You see me? Yeah, man, right, man. Deal with the youth then.
And I'm making my own breakfast.
Say that again?
Making my own.
Yeah, so right now you make your own breakfast. What way you normally make for your breakfast?
Egg with something. I don't know. Like I made bread, 2 breads on top, a hole inside, and I put the egg, like an egg inside, and I put it, and I add the bread and the egg together, and I make like my egg sandwiches and stuff. And also I make like hot dogs at them. Hot dogs.
So what you make yesterday? Yesterday you make egg and what yesterday?
Egg sandwich.
You make egg sandwich yesterday? But how you make it? That's my answer. How did you make it?
Oh, all I did, I got the pan, I put it on the stove, made it heat up a little bit. I messed up a little bit because I only put the oil on for like 10 seconds, so I just put the egg on, but I realized I had to make it heat up. So then after, what realistically you should be doing, all you do is have oil on the pan, but first make the pan heat up. Make the pan heat up a little bit. Put the oil on the pan, then wait like a little bit more when you put the oil on the pan. Then pour your like mixed up egg, maybe like 2, 3, whatever you want. Mix them up in a bowl or whatever you want to use. And then after, you pour it inside, and then bam, you have to see if it's kind of like looks good on the bottom and stuff, and when you know it's fine, flip it over, and then you just wait till it cooks on the other side, and then take it off the pan. But if you just want it to be scrambled and stuff, then you start cutting it up after.
Okay. And how you assemble the sandwich now?
Oh, so what happens when I assemble a sandwich, I like it scrambled. I just like it normal, like not scrambled. I just like it plain. And then what happens? What I do, I put my cheese on top immediately so it can melt on top. Then I put my 2 breads, my 2 toasted breads, well, just toast. I put my 2 toasts on the bottom and top, and then I can eat.
Nice.
Sometimes I put, what is it called again? I cut it in half, and then I put like an apple at the side or something.
Nice. Alright. So that is it. I go brush your teeth, get yourself ready, and make your breakfast, right? Big up yourself, my son. That is it. So yeah, with that said, I go log off with just a quick morning routine. Not my regular morning routine, but things when I do with the youth them more, especially if me up first. Alissa there. When Alissa there, I just do everything because she like to do these things for her kids. If you know as a mother. Mothers them love to do certain things and they like to do it for them way. I mean, I go do it your way, I go do it my way. You see me? And my way has something to do with them. You see me? See them I run around my foot there now? I'm hungry, so I'm going to make for them food. I don't know the things that I'm going to tap out I know, so guess what? Leave a like on this video if you love the vibe, hit subscribe. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel.
And go on big up on yourself.
You know the vibe, hit subscribe. Yeah? Run gone round table, you know, because guess what? A food time, you know.
Happy life,